Well, this isn't a sunny day, though it's a good weather. So I thought that let's shoot inside a private area because we know that there is a pandemic going on. So being closer to this greener side of this nature, I'm feeling so nice. And early this morning, I'm able to breathe a fresh air. So guys, this is Avik and you're watching another episode of My Life, My Cars, The Vehicles. So this is the 2021 BS6 Activa 6G, and now this scooter has got some new technologies like ESP and other etc. So before some days this scooter completed its 4 months. So I thought of that let's why not make a review after 4 months of using this scooter. So let's go and make the review. So one thing I'm gonna tell you about this scooty that this scooty didn't give any kind of problem in 4 months of use. But one thing I didn't like about this scooty that this scooty does not have a good build quality. You can listen it. It feels like a plastic. You can break this with a hammer also. Yeah. So some more things I didn't liked about this scooty that it does not have a good hook to keep your luggages like some grocery items etc. Let me show you. Oh, this is a very annoying thing which I'm gonna tell you that this hook, as you can see here, this is just very irritating. While fitting your bags or carry bags, you will just get annoyed of it because your hands will just stuck. Hook is just placed in a right place. So there is one more thing which I didn't like about the scooty that its brakes, rear brakes. Its rear brakes performance is just decent. Yeah, the front brakes work very well. So it is not like that this scooty has bad things only. This scooty has some good things only also. That the skill switch. For this thing, I'm gonna thank Honda. Thanks Honda. Okay, and some more things I like about this scooty, like the suspension. Again, for this, thanks Honda for this new telescopic suspension and also for this new 12-inch big wheels. There is now one more good thing about this scooty that this offers you little bit more luggage space. Yeah, you can't fit your luggage bags, but you can keep your groceries and other items etc. So let's close it. One thing you all must be listening from so much time about that Activa 6G, that its power levels are decreased and it is underpowered, but I don't feel so because it is much lighter than the Activa 5G and its top speed is also been increased, so after some time you can win the race from the 5G. You will definitely just smoke off the 5G. Yeah. You get one more better thing in this Activa 6G, and that is its fuel economy rate. It is increased up to 55 because of the new ESP technology, and its performance is also been decreased. And if you will ask me that you should buy this scooty or not, so I would recommend that if you want a classy scooter and you do not need performance and you need a scooter for a daily usage, and if you carry a money between 80 to 90,000, then I'll recommend you that just go ahead and buy this scooter. guys, now I do not have much things to talk about this scooty, as you listened it is a scooty and it does not carry features like the cars, and we cannot even go for the rides because I'm not 18 and I do not carry license with me, and it is illegal to ride any vehicle or to drive any vehicle without license. So guys, you're watching My Life, My Cars, The Vehicles, and this is Avik, and now I'm signing off. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of our next videos. Until time, bye bye and Jai Hind.